Cherry Ripe is really starting to feel like our home now. And of course, we've been thinking to change the name to something that has meaning to us. Why shouldn't we? The Odyssey of Dreams.
Ocean Dancer.
Anyway, according to folklore, it's bad luck to change the name.
Before doing anything drastic, we first had to explore why it called Cherry Ripe to begin with.
Whoa, finally out on the water again. All we knew was that the name comes from this famous painting, and its replica has been stuck on the boat since I moved aboard, despite my best efforts. Let's see if there's enough wind to sail.
We've been doing some pretty cool detective work, so let us get out on the water and tell you everything about it. You saw that Tim was doing all the sails? Normally that's not happening. I'm the one who's doing all the sails. But for the camera, I let him show off a bit.
Meanwhile, here's Mitch at the bow, practicing the art of looking natural on camera. And here's me nailing it. Oh yeah.
Okay, let's find somewhere where we can drop anchor and continue the story of the boat.
It's going to be a bit chilly in there, I think.
What are you gonna do?
Clean the hull. Okay, it's cold. In our search to learn about the origins of the boat and her name, some internet trickery led us to this house in the Lake District in England.
This is Vera, born in 1942.
I'm 77 and a half to be precise.
She's the wife of Malcolm, who himself started fitting out the boat in 1979. And this is Cherry Ripe. Boat named after this painting.
Yes.
It's your grandmother.
That's my grandmother, yeah.
The girl in that famous painting is Mary Pepper, Vera's grandmother.
That's Dad.
That's
Skipper.
me. Yeah.
That's the skipper. That's the skipper's mate.
There's Joy,
There's
Catherine,
all the crew
Stephen
there.
and Michael. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's ours. Gosh.
This is probably a smiley moment there.
Yeah.
That's me.
Oh, look at this.
Sorry, we can see the grin.
I had never sailed before, and we had 4 children. It got really rough, and Malcolm shouts, "I'm just going up forward to change sails. Just helm, will you, while I'm gone?" Well, we're everywhere, you know.
The crew having some fun.
That's a nice shot.
Slightly embarrassed, I tell Vera that I'd originally tried to take the painting off the boat.
Don't. Don't. Don't
touch
It's
it.
a bad omen.
Apparently some of the previous owners had taken it off.
Yeah, they took the painting down, just didn't really like it. Took it down and everything started going wrong on the boat.
I know.
Yeah.
Stephen digs out the old logbooks and we look back on past adventures.
It's like
Yeah.
a journal, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very important.
Yeah.
Change course. 300 degrees.
That's you.
That's me. You can see what you're seeing there is actually launch day. Quite emotional actually, really, because my dad just passed away literally just over a year ago.
Malcolm even used fallen trees from behind the house for the boat's floorboards. This is just down the road, where the boat was finished, on the shores of Coniston Water, where the dreams of Cherry Ripe were built. Who are we to change her name? After all, we're just one part of this boat's journey. How's it going? It's actually not cold at all in there. Time to head back.
Yeah, I think it's
to the
time.
marina.
It's getting low tide as well. Thank you so much, Vera and family, for sharing some of your stories with us.
And with that, the adventures of Cherry Ripe continue. Time to tick off the final boat jobs before we continue our sail west.